Hey, good morning. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Paul. I own and operate TCI Development. We're a building contracting company located in Southern California. If you've been following along on our videos, we are back out here on the 4,000 square foot custom home going in the beautiful Temecula wine country. We haven't been filming in a while. I was actually gone on some military orders, and we have a lot of projects going on, and I just haven't had time to film. But we're about to get final on this project. Actually, we're going to be pouring, you can see behind me, we've got it all formed up. We're going to be pouring concrete tomorrow out front here. We're going to be pouring a partial driveway only to right there on the edge of the house. We're going to pour all the patios in the back and get all that done. The granite countertops are in. The counters about to be, the cabinets are about to be stained. But we've had a lot of setbacks, like I said, waiting on materials and everything. We've had some major delays in that, but we're really starting to get a lot done on this project now. We're starting to get the materials we need. We actually, right now we're digging the utility trench out here in the street. You know, we had to, because that's county property, we had to pull a permit to dig out into franchise, and that permit normally takes a couple weeks, and it took 4.5 months. So Mikey's here now. If you followed along when we graded Dustin Williams and some of our other jobs, you're familiar with Mikey. He's one of my equipment operators. He's out there now backfilling the trench. Kenny and Jesse are here from AC Electric. They're putting a panel up here at the end of the driveway. We're not going to use a panel on the house. We do have a panel on the house, but the owner wanted the panel away from the house. For what reason, I don't know. That's his business, but he wanted it up here at the end of the street. So we're installing the panel right now. We just put the conduit in, the underground conduit for the electrical trench, for the Edison trench. But just for electrical conduit, 3-inch conduit, we couldn't find any down here in the county. You know, we've been waiting for months to get that stuff, and I had to drive about 85 miles to actually go pick it up. And they only had exactly what I needed. So you've seen that on the news with all the container ships. Well, it's affecting everybody. You know, we have a lot of projects. We're waiting on a lot of materials, and we have a lot of projects getting ready to start. We're going to be breaking ground on a big mansion down here in the Temecula Valley here in about 5 days. We're going to be starting the foundation on that. But let's go up here and take a look at what's happening right now. As I said, Kenny's here from AC Electric. If you've been following along on this project right here from the very beginning, that's one of my electrical contractors that handles my stuff down here in this area. And they're here now setting this panel. So we'll go up here and see what's going on. But as far as final goes, we're gonna have final on this house in about, probably about 3 weeks. We've got to wait for Edison to come out. Edison does not run its own power lines. They have a contractor that does it. And right now the contractor's backed up about 3 weeks. So we're not gonna get power lines pulled through here for about 3 weeks. And then we'll have power down at the house. You know, we couldn't get temporary power at the beginning of this job, so we've been running on generators the whole entire time, which, you know, running into town and getting fuel for these generators, you know, that's what you do to get the job done for the client. So right now you can see what's happening here. We have the conduit in. Over there's the transformer. Here's the driveway. There's Kenny and Jesse. They're installing a panel right here. Okay, so that electrical panel is going to go right here. The house is down there. Mikey's over here backfilling right now. What we're going to do is we've got the electrical conduit in, but then we need to run the low voltage. You see that that 1 inch right there that stubs up over here? That's going to go into the phone line box over there, come out. We'll put a little hand hole right here, right? That way they don't have to try to pull a line from over there, which is 150 feet away, all the way down to the house, which is 350 feet away. They'll pull it up into this hand hole and then feed it all the way down. So that's what's happening out here today. Let's take a look. You know, this has to be 36 inches deep. We've already had it signed off by Edison. There's Mikey. Mikey's compacting the trench right now. What we do is Edison does not want us going into their box, but they wanted us to dig up right to the box. We stopped our line right here. We put our mule tape, 2,500 pound mule tape into there so they can pull the line through. We left Edison contractor some conduit here, and they'll open this power box and they'll pull the conduit up to the inside. But that's how you do it. You dig up to the box, leave them access, leave them pipe down here. Here's our low voltage trench. You can see already I put this 3/4 coming up into the phone box here. That's where they make the termination for the phone lines. But we have to have 1 foot separation between the electrical conduit and the low voltage. There has to be 1 foot separation so you don't get 60 cycle hum on your phone lines or interference from the AC current that's running through here. You don't get interference into your data lines at your house. So 1 foot of separation. I'm waiting for him to compact this. He's compacting up a couple of feet right now, and then he's smashing it down to about a 1 foot of separation, and then we will install this low voltage conduit all the way around over there to where Mikey and where Jesse and Vinny are working. So that's it out here for today. Like I said, I'll try to post some more videos later on in the week. Catch you guys up on everything that's been happening. Thanks for watching the channel. Follow along on our other projects we have going on. We're getting ready to start the project for Dustin Williams. You know, we did the grading over there. If you followed it on our Instagram page or on our YouTube channel, we finished grading that project. We just got the building permit to start his garage. We're going to be starting that about next week or the week after. It's up to Dustin and Tiana when they want us to start it. But thanks for following along on our projects. Give us a thumbs up on our video. You guys have an awesome day, and hopefully you can learn something by watching our projects that'll help you with your project. Thanks for watching.